I really love this meditation. I think it's one of my favorites because it has you get real clear on what you want. Mm-hmm. And I just love it, and I love the Saraswati, the connection with Saraswati, and even the other some meditation, which was part of our thing, was great to do. I'm looking forward to Wealth Rising. I think it's a great program. I'm really looking forward to it because I think everybody could enjoy an increase in wealth, and it'll be great to hear all everybody's experiences and how it shows up for them. And what I like is that, we'll all be doing Shri Brazil and making that connection with the goddess. So, sky's the limit. And I'm very excited about that program. I think that I'm very happy and pleased about how you made it so affordable to people. Because if somebody's not making $5,000 a month, all they're doing is paying $65 a month. I mean, that's incredible. And for those who are making $50,000, make more, $130 a month, you made the program very affordable so that miracles could happen. It's really outstanding, so thanks. Shri Brazil is very powerful, and if you feel in any way limited in your prosperity, you should join, because there's no reason not to, especially if you've done Miracle School. This would be, I think, the perfect next step. So I'm excited. Thank you for setting it up, and thank Baba for me, too. I want to say just every single week was like an unfolding every month. The information that we have, just like you said, a person could just go and create their own self-program. We have such a library of meditations and knowledge to go over. It's phenomenal. So the only reason I'm saying this, I just want to send a wave of appreciation for all this knowledge and gratefulness in the way that you set it up. Because just doing things by yourself, like if you're just doing Shri Brazil by yourself, right, or whatever you're doing, not that it gets boring, but it's like the added knowledge that you get every specific week just inspires you, encourages you to continue. And I think that's the really great function of it. And not only does it encourage you, but it gives you I'm so amazed. It's like there's so much. There's so many different ways of making the connection, whether you're doing a chant to Ganesh or Lakshmi or Saraswati. And this program just had such variety and flavor to it. It was just quite amazing. So just kind of like in reviewing this year, it was a phenomenal year. You did a great job. Lots of appreciation and lots of thanks to everyone who created this program and participated in it and led it, which is you. So thank you very much. It's so amazing that 12 months has gone by, It kind of went by very quickly, but every month, every week, more knowledge and just an unfolding. And I definitely feel like my whole soul and being has been enriched by taking this course.
Thank you so much, Rose. Rose was great. I also want to thank Lalita for the great astrology classes, too.